1, 2, 3, 4, 5. About 5 or 6 bags already. And I already decluttered before Christmas and purged the toys. And right now they have all the toys that they like. And I have another bag of toys. But everything else they like and play with. And it's kind of messy right now because I'm going through everything and seeing if there's anything else that can go. But pretty much everything that they have right now they like and play with. So I'm trying to find a system that works where they can easily access their toys and easily put them back away again. So like right now I just have all the figures in here. Like all the little dolls and figures and mermaids and little things like ponies. And then in here I have like their Frozen dolls. They have Elsa, Anna, Kristoff, and let's see. Anyway, I guess it's more mixed than I thought. But they have Elsa, and they have Anna, and there's a Kristoff doll, and I think they have another Anna doll. And then there's like a little tin full of like these little figures that Lucy plays with. They go on top of here. And inside of this thing, and then she has her gut octonauts and some playhouses and helmets. But pretty much their closet's organized. I have the coats, the dresses, the shirts, and then swim stuff. Shoes that are out of season and about to be in season. And then they each have, what do you call it? Little pull-out drawers for leggings, denim, underwear, socks, and pajamas. So that's what I have as my system so far, and it's working okay, but I want a better system because I feel like the house gets messy like every single day, and then I have to re-clean it every single day. But I want it to be more fluid, so that way it's not such a chore every day, and the house can look neater more often. Let me know your ideas. Let me know what you guys do that works. Tips and tricks.
Well, I took all the magic
Bye.
from